Hi folks, welcome back to the El Yucateco YouTube channel. We truly appreciate you stopping by. I'm James, and in today's video we are going to make a Tomatillo Salsa and incorporate the El Yucateco Chili Habanero Green. This salsa will go great on anything, and that video is coming up next. Okay, so the ingredients that we're going to need for the salsa. One, you're going to need some tomatillos. Now you will have to rinse these off under the sink. They come in a husk. You'll remove the husk and it leaves a stickiness behind. So just run it under some faucet water. Comes right off. Very, very simple to do. I've got 6 of them. I've got a quarter of a white onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and a handful of cilantro. And you're also going to need the El Yucateco Chili Habanero Green. We're going to get all this on the stove, get everything roasted up, and then we'll get the salsa put together. Okay, so what I have here is a skillet. I have the tomatillos, the garlic, and the onion on here. I have this set to a high heat. We're going to let these roast. What that's going to do is release a lot of the flavors from the onion and the garlic and the tomatillos. We are going to come in here every few minutes and just kind of rotate it. You can see it's starting to char up there. And we just want to get some good charring all the way around. And this should take probably about 10 minutes. Again, we just want to rotate these around some. Give them a flip. Same thing with the garlic and onion. Please be really careful. This stove can be really hot. And you want to make sure you do not injure yourself in any way, shape, or form. Okay, so we have everything roasted here. It looks good. It smells amazing. The next step is we're going to take everything in here and place it in a plastic storage bag. And we're going to want to set this aside and let it set for about 30 minutes. What's going to happen is these veggies will continue to steam, soften up, get more tender, and they're going to release some juices that are going to go great in the salsa. So put everything in a plastic storage bag. Again, zip it up and just set it aside. Okay, so we've taken all our tomatillos, onion, and garlic out of the plastic storage bag. We're going to take these, drop them in the food processor, or you can drop it in a blender if you have a blender. And we're going to give this a quick chop. And it should only take a few seconds to get everything chopped up. We got the tomatillos, we got the garlic, there's the onion, a little more garlic. We'll get the lid on and get everything blended up. Perfect. We have everything mixed up. Oh, it looks good and it smells great. The last thing we're going to add is some El Yucateco Chili Habanero Green. And this is a 4-ounce bottle. I'm going to add 2 ounces of it. This is going to give it a nice kick and some great flavor. Get the lid back on and just give it a quick little pulse. That is it. Let's get this in a bowl and give it a taste. Okay, so the tomatillo salsa is done. Now we are going to top it off. If you remember, I mentioned when we put everything in the plastic storage bag that it was going to release some juices. That's what I have here. We're going to take this, and that's just the liquid from all the veggies that kind of steam together. That adds a ton of flavor. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of kosher salt and a tablespoon and a half of finely minced cilantro. And give this a mix. And then we'll give it a taste. All right, now the best part of this video is the taste test. Let's give it a shot. Listen, I got to tell you, this salsa is excellent. This Yucateco Chili Habanero Green gave it tons of flavor and just the right kick. If you like a tomatillo salsa, you definitely need to try this recipe out. Now keep in mind, if you missed any ingredients or anything, all the measurements, ingredients, and the process will be down below. I hope you give it a try. You will not be disappointed. Again, we truly appreciate you guys checking out the Yucateco YouTube channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys on the next one. Take care.